Welcome to this mock and real U.S. citizenship interview simulation for 2025. If you're preparing for your N-400 naturalization interview with USCIS, this video will guide you step by step through the entire interview process, including the speaking test, reading and writing test, civics test, Part 9 vocabulary questions, personal background questions, and the oath ceremony. In this video, you'll experience a realistic interview with answers, so you'll know exactly what to expect on the day of your test. Whether you're worried about the 100 civics questions, the English test, or just want to practice how to respond confidently to an immigration officer, this full simulation will help you prepare and succeed. Stay tuned, practice along, and by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident about passing your U.S. citizenship interview in 2025. Let's get started.
Good afternoon. I'm Immigration Officer Zaria, and I'm going to interview you today. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Please follow me.
Of course.
Please come in and remain standing. Before we begin the interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
How was the traffic this afternoon?
It wasn't bad. It took me about 25 minutes to get here.
That's good to hear. What is your full legal name?
My full legal name is Ethan Walker.
Can I get your green card, your appointment notice, and your state-issued driver's license or ID?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Did you study for the citizenship test?
Yes, I did. It's an important interview for me.
Good. Okay, do you have any questions before we start?
Yes, I made a few errors on my application, and I would like to update my answers. Is that okay?
Of course. Please bring up the changes when we get to that section.
Thank you.
Did you have any trouble finding the parking lot?
No, I found a public parking lot nearby.
Great. How did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident through my job. I was sponsored by my employer.
What is your employer's name?
My employer's name is Green Tech Industries.
Did anyone come here with you?
No, I came by myself.
How are you eligible for naturalization?
I am 32 years old, and I have been a lawful permanent resident for more than 5 years.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What is the current legal name of your spouse?
My spouse's name is Emma Davis.
What is the date of birth of your spouse?
March 14th, 1995.
Does your spouse live in the U.S.?
No, she currently lives in Australia.
All right. Do you and your spouse have any children?
Yes, we have 2 children together.
What are your children's names?
My children's names are Olivia Walker and Jack Walker.
What are their dates of birth?
Olivia was born on December 5, 2019, and Jack was born on March 3, 2022.
Do your children reside with you?
No, my children are living in Australia with my wife.
Are you providing support for your children?
Yes, I am.
How many times have you been married?
I've been married once.
Okay. Tell me your date of birth.
My date of birth is July 19, 1991.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I want to participate in elections and contribute to the country that has given me so many opportunities.
Great. On what date did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on June 21, 2020.
The last 4 digits of your social security number?
2451.
Can you tell me your first name?
My first name is Ethan.
Please spell your first name.
E-T-H-A-N.
What's your last name?
My last name is Walker.
Do you have other nicknames or names you use?
No, I don't.
Would you like to legally change your name today?
No, I would not.
What is your country of citizenship or nationality?
My country of citizenship is Ireland.
Okay. Where were you born?
I was born in Ireland.
What is your mobile telephone number?
4152846907.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are blue. though I had mistakenly listed them as green on my N-400 application. Can you correct that for me?
Not a problem. I'll update that for you.
Thank you.
What is your race?
I am Caucasian.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, I do. It's ethanwalker91@hotmail.com.
What is your height?
I'm 5 feet 10 inches.
What is your current physical address?
Sorry, I made an error on my application. My address is 4532 Sunset Boulevard, Apartment 12B, Los Angeles, California, 90001. Can you correct that for me?
Got it. I'll update that now.
Thank you.
You are welcome. How long have you been living at this address?
I've been living here since November 10, 2022.
Where did you live before?
I lived at 2226 Maple Street, San Francisco, California, 94110.
When did you move to that address?
I moved to my current address on January 15, 2022.
Have you lived anywhere else during the last 5 years?
No, that's it.
Let's talk about your business. Are you currently working?
Yes, I am.
Where do you work?
I work at Green Tech Industries in Los Angeles.
What do you do there?
I'm a project manager.
How long have you been working there?
I've been working there since March 2019.
Where have you worked for the last 5 years?
I've worked at the same company.
Let's talk about your travels outside the U.S. How many total days have you spent outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
98 days.
Tell me when and where your last trip was.
I went to Australia on September 10, 2024, and returned on October 5, 2024.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
I went there for business meetings and to visit my wife.
Have you taken any trips since you submitted your application form?
No, officer.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes, I have.
How many total trips have you taken outside the U.S.?
8 trips.
Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No.
Have you ever traveled to any other countries outside the US or Australia?
Yes, I've been to Germany and Japan for short trips.
Let's move on to a few personal questions. Do you have any family members who have already become US citizens?
Yes, my aunt and uncle became US citizens a few years ago.
Have you ever been involved in any community service or volunteer work?
Yes, I volunteered with local shelters in Los Angeles and helped organize food drives.
How do you feel about living in the United States long term?
I'm grateful for the opportunities I've had here and look forward to making this my permanent home.
Good. Are you involved in any religious or cultural organizations?
Yes, I'm a member of a local church in Los Angeles, and I participate in community events there.
What are your hobbies or interests outside of work?
I enjoy hiking, reading, and photography.
Let's go through civics tests to check your knowledge about United States history, government system, economic policy, constitution, and few others. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Have you prepared for the civics test?
Yes, officer.
Good. Please listen carefully to each question. What is one reason colonists came to America?
Freedom.
We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
6.
What did Susan B. Anthony do?
Fought for women's rights.
Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion, or not practice a religion.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did?
Freed the slaves.
The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We, the people.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now I will continue to review your N-400 application. Have you ever advocated or involved in, or in any way associated with overthrow the government of the United States by force or violence or any other unconstitutional means?
No.
What is unconstitutional meaning?
Antithetical to a constitution.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No, never.
What is the meaning of have you ever?
Anywhere in the world, at any time.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No, never.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No, never.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No, officer.
Have you ever advocated or involved in, or in any way associated with the establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship?
No.
What is dictatorship?
A dictatorship is an autocratic form of government.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No, officer.
What are overdue taxes?
Didn't pay taxes on time.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes or persons for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No, never.
Can you tell me the meaning of proceeds?
A portion of money from a transaction.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in genocide?
No, never.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in killing or trying to kill any person?
No.
Have you ever sold, provided, or transported weapons or assisted any person in selling, providing, or transporting weapons which you knew or believed would be used against another person?
No, never.
What do you mean by transport in this question?
Carry one place to another.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
No, officer.
What is file a tax return meaning?
Send a tax form to the government.
Have you ever advocated or involved in, or in any way associated with sabotage?
No, never.
What is sabotage?
Intentionally damage or destroy something.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in causing harm or suffering to any person because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No, officer.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No, never.
What is the meaning of misrepresentation?
Provide wrong information.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in not letting someone practice their religion?
No, officer.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No, never.
Have you ever convicted of any crime?
No, officer.
What is the meaning of convicted?
Found guilty of a crime under the law.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
No, officer.
Have you ever been placed in removal, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
What is rescission?
Canceling a visa to stay in the United States.
Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold, or smuggled any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia in violation of any law or regulation of a U.S. state, the United States, or a foreign country?
No, officer.
What is controlled substances?
Drugs regulated by the government.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military type training?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No, officer.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, or immigration official for any reason or been charged with a crime or offense?
No, officer.
What is offense?
Minor crime.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I am willing to.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
What is the form of government in the United States?
Republic.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am willing to.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
What is oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No, officer.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am.
What is the meaning of civilian direction?
Direction from non-military person.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am.
Now, let's move on to the reading and writing portions. You need to get at least one sentence correct in each part to pass. For the reading portion, please look at the screen and read this sentence out loud for me. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Where is the White House?
Great job! You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. The White House is in Washington, D.C. Perfect! You've passed the reading and writing tests as well.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any other questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
All right, I've updated some of the sections. Please make sure to review all your answers and confirm they are accurate, then sign and date at the bottom.
Okay. Everything looks perfect.
Now, please review the last page where the oath of allegiance is listed. If you're willing to take the oath, please sign at the bottom.
Okay.
Congratulations! You passed your citizenship interview today.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this.
Just a reminder. You're not a U.S. citizen yet until you take the oath of allegiance at the official naturalization ceremony. We'll send you a schedule with the date and time of the ceremony.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
No. Thank you again for your time today. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you.
You too.